Glee, take off that necklace. Now put on this one, darling, to restore your fairy power. Luna? No. Please work. Darling, are you alright? Yes, thank you. Of course, darling. I will always protect you. I'm sorry I'm not your real dad. Even though we might not be related by blood, you're always gonna be my dad. Oh, darling, thank you. I love you so much, Luna. I love you too. Well, I think it's time we leave this place. I know somewhere safe we can hide away and live.
Red alert!
What do we do?
Well, we both have wings.
Oh yeah.
Let's fly.
Come on, let's go. Happy birthday! You can take your Band-Aid off.
I know, I'm so nervous. I can't wait to see what prince I get.
Remember, it'll be their first initial.
It's an S. But wait, I don't know any princes whose names start with the letter S.
Good thing I made an arrangement.
What kind of an arrangement?
Marriage, of course. I found you a very handsome prince.
Does his name start with the letter S?
Well, no.
Then he's not my soulmate.
Happy birthday, Violet. What's wrong?
My mom, she's forcing me to get married tomorrow.
To someone who's not your soulmate?
Yeah, Sam, maybe you can talk to her. She thinks really highly of you.
I mean, I'm just a guard, but I'll see what I can do.
Wait a minute. Sam? S? He could be my soulmate.
Sorry, your mom didn't listen.
Never mind that. Sam, when do you get to remove your bandage?
Actually, my birthday is tomorrow.
No, you need to remove it right now.
Huh? Why right now?
'Cause I think you and I might be soulmates.
No way.
Sissy, I'm scared.
Hey, it's okay. I know this vacation home is a little creepy, but Mom and Dad will be back home from their party soon. And besides, my danger meter, it's only at 2%, so we're good.
Sissy, I'm gonna do a trick. Are you watching?
Uh-huh, yeah, good job.
I'm almost at the top.
Millie, get down from there right now! Millie, I'm serious.
Okay, I'm coming.
It's gonna be okay. Crap, my phone is dead.
My arm is hurting.
You know what? I saw a hospital down the street. I'll just take you to it.
We think her arm might be broken, so we're gonna take her for some x-rays.
No, I don't want to.
It's okay. I'll be right here waiting for you when you get out. It'll be very quick, sweetheart. Come on.
Okay.
Hey, I've been waiting like 45 minutes for my sister to be done with x-rays. What's taking so long?
We're not doing x-rays today. Our machine's under maintenance.
Wait, what? Then where did they take my sister?
I'm not sure what you're talking about. You made it! You look so cute!
Thanks!
Wait, who are you supposed to be, though?
She
looks like the girl from James Bond, right? Oh, I get it. You know, I didn't think you were coming. Where were you?
You need to get out of there now.
Yeah, I'm trying.
You need to use your laser ring.
Didn't Director Johnson say that was just a prototype?
Yes, but it's your only option, Agent 22. Now use it.
That was hot.
Well, you're free, aren't you? And if you hurry, you might make it to that Halloween party of yours.
I just, got a little, tied up at work. I think you and I might be soulmates.
No way.
Please, just take off the bandage.
Violet, I can't. It won't come off until I turn 20.
Alright, fine. But you better tell me first thing in the morning.
I promise, I will.
Your future husband has arrived.
Actually, Mom, I really need to speak to Sam.
Nonsense! You must not keep the prince waiting. Now come on.
Hello, princess. Is that an S on your finger?
Yes, it's the first letter of my soulmate's name.
Well, just so you know, when we're married, I will have that removed.
It's literally ingrained on my finger.
Then I guess you'll be losing that finger.
Mom, I am not marrying that prince. He is evil. What?
Your guard, Sam,
He's what?
He's dead, sweetheart. I'm so sorry.
Sam can't be dead. I just talked to him the other day. I need to see him.
The other guards found him unresponsive this morning. I'll take you to him, sweetheart. Sam, please, give me a moment alone with him. Of course, Violet. Sam, how could this happen? He had a V. He was my soulmate. You were so nice to me. I will never forget you. Oh, darling, you look so beautiful. You did choose to get married at 20, and now you get to finally marry your prince.
I don't care.
Do you take Prince Daniel to be a husband?
Violet, wait! Please, stop the wedding.
Sam? You're alive?
Yes, you won't believe what happened.
Ash, what's above my head?
It's a love meter. It tells you how much people love you.
Wow, girl, you really love me.
Of course I do, bestie.
Hey, Mom.
Hi, hon. How was your day at school today?
Why don't you love me?
Excuse me? What are you talking about?
I knew I was your least favorite child. I bet you aren't even my real mom.
Are you okay, babe?
No, I found out that my mom doesn't even love me.
Ah, baby, who couldn't love you?
Apparently you. The meter shows 1%.
Well, yeah, because it's...
Just leave me alone. You're literally the only person who still loves me, Ashley.
Bestie, I'm so sorry. Here, have some water.
Thanks. Hey, Ash.
She is so stupid. I told her the hate meter is a love meter. Once she drinks that water, her boyfriend is mine.
Sam, you're alive?
Yes, you won't believe what happened. Your mom, she poisoned me with a sleeping potion.
What?
But somehow, the spell was broken.
True love's kiss. Mom, how could you?
You said you wanted to marry a prince.
Oh, so you two were plotting together.
Well, we couldn't let you marry that scum, now could we?
See, the thing is, Daniel, I'd rather marry a guard than a selfish, cowardly prince.
I was wrong, darling. Please forgive me. Then let me marry Sam.
And maybe we can talk about forgiveness.
Yes, Violet, you have my blessing.
Well, then what about me?
You? You wanted to have my finger removed.
Oh, yes, I did say that. Did he really say that, Violet? You know, as the princess's guard, it's my job to protect her from harm. Oh, please, you don't scare me. Really? 'Cause you look a little scared to me, Daniel. I suggest you run now. Yes, sir. I've been meaning to ask you this for a long time. Violet, will you marry me?
Yes.
I always had a feeling you and I were soulmates, Violet. Sorry you didn't get your Prince Charming.
It's okay. I got something better. It's what my dad would want.
You picked the prince, right?
Of course.
Good, because I'm not having you marry a pirate. They can't be trusted.
Dad was a pirate, and you married him.
We don't speak of your father. You know that. Marianne, why do you have the pirate's mark?
I don't know.
Girl, don't lie to me.
Alright, fine, I picked the pirate, but I don't know why everyone is so afraid of them. They seem kinda cool.
I don't think I can be friends with you.
What? Why?
Because I'm not going to be associated with someone who wants to marry a pirate. They're dangerous, and now that you have that mark, they're going to come for you.
Mom, I'm home. Mom?
Hello. We're looking for a girl with the pirate's mark. Take off that cloak.
This just in, scientist Shepard White claims his drink Smile will cure your stress.
A drink that cures stress. Yeah, right.
Did you hear about that drink?
The one that's supposed to cure your stress? Come on, Lily, it's a hoax.
People say it really works.
I think we'll pass.
Oh, hey you. Are you ready for that algebra test?
Not gonna lie, I was up all night on TikTok, so no.
Attention class, as you may or may not know, new laws have been put into place. Starting tomorrow, everyone will be required to drink 1 cup of Smile before entering the classroom.
Wait, they can't make us do that, right?
Next, what's your number?
Number 16?
Alright, and here's your Smile for the day. Riley, stop! Don't drink that!
Babe, what are you doing?
That drink, it's a lie. It's doing something to us. That's enough.
Oh!
Finish your Smile. Get him out of here. Let me see a cup. Alright, how do you feel?
I feel great.
Looking for a girl with the pirate's mark. Take off that cloak.
I don't think that's...
The captain wasn't asking. I knew it. I could sense her mark. Take her to the ship, boys. Yes, Captain.
Wait, what?
Welcome aboard the ship, the Blue Pearl. Legend says when you touch your soulmate, your mark will disappear. So let's see which one of us gets to marry you. Raise your sword if you think the girl is your soulmate. Alright, make a line. Hello, miss. Let's see if it's me. But that's all of us.
What about him?
Father, do you think I could try? I told you to stay below deck. Ignore my son. He's no pirate. Wait, where'd you get that necklace?
My father?
Captain, doesn't that look just like the one that the Pirate King had? Tell me, what is your father's name? You know what? I can already tell you're his daughter, which means you're the lost pirate princess. I can already tell you're his daughter, which means you're the lost pirate princess.
My father was a pirate, but he wasn't a king.
Why do you speak of him in past tense?
Because he's dead.
Who told you that?
My mother?
I see. So she was the sea witch who took you away.
Don't call her that. She said she wanted to protect me from him.
No, your father wanted you to have a royal life, and she wanted you to have a normal one. At least that's what he told me.
Wait a minute. You knew my father?
Yes, we were great friends. Why don't I take you to him?
You would do that?
Of course. After all, you are royal blood. Princess, you have to get off the ship. Right now.
What? Why?
Because my father lied to you. He's not taking you to see your father. Him and all the other crewmates, they're cursed. The only way to break the curse is to sacrifice a royal.
He wants to kill me.
I want to help you, but we have to jump off the ship. Your mark, it's gone. That means we're soulmates.
I don't even know your name.
Oh, right. My name is William. I have a canoe, we can escape. Not so fast. You take my son, I'll take the girl. No!
William.
Where are we? We're on Skull Island, Princess. In the exact spot we were all cursed.
How much of my blood do you need?
To break the curse, we need all of it. Father, no!
You stay away from my daughter.
Dad?
I told you he was alive.
Take all of his crewmates into custody.
Turn around. Wait, I was trying to help her!
No, wait. Spare him, please. That's my soulmate.
Guards, leave him.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Dad, I thought that you were dead. How did you find me?
I gave you that necklace for a reason, Mom. It's a tracker.
I see you chose to remain a princess. Well, Marianne, would you still like to marry a pirate?
Yes.
How would you like to be married?